I think all of us should properly condemn in the strongest terms possible this cowardly act by people who do not believe in the sanctity of life, people who are clearly intolerant of other people's opinions. So, very painful moment, but this is when the nation should come together. Even at moments as difficult as this, let's get together. Right now, let us console and condole with the families that are affected. And let's get to the bottom of this thing. For once. Thank you. That's it. We cannot add anything at this stage. Okay. Other than what you have said, that it's going to be a comprehensive statement issued by the government. And so, I'm sure you're all looking for anything, and all of us are, first of all, to see the amount of blood on Uhuru Park is clearly unacceptable. But I can't say anything more at this stage. Please let us all wait for the government statement, which clearly will condemn this very cowardly crime, because it is a crime against humanity. Thank you.